top 500 prime numbers. It's the top 500 prime numbers, and prime numbers keeps on going till the end up to infinity. So there is no end to finding prime numbers. Prime numbers are numbers which are divisible by 1 and by itself, and no other numbers in the numbers can be divisible by it. So it's a unique kind of number. So I have found there's a new pattern which appears in prime numbers. Let's take numbers 5, 7 and 11. So when we add 11 and 7 we get 18, and now when we subtract 5 from 18 we get 13, which is a prime number. So next look to another example. Let's take 101, 103 or 107. When you add 107 and 103 you get 210, and when you subtract it by 101 we get 109, which is a prime number. So it's similar to the first 5, 7 and 11. Now it's 101, 103 and 7, and there are many numbers in between these numbers also show such a pattern. So now let's take 701, 709 and 719. It is important to remember that you should take these numbers in a row of series. It should, for example, if 701 is the prime number, the next prime number should be 709 and 719. It should be backed up with this series number. So when we add 719 and 709, we get 1428, and when we subtract it by 701, we get 727, which is a prime. So these are small numbers. Now let's look into big numbers that I have found by reading, calculating it from one website. So this is the prime number which is big. I think this is in 100 billions. It goes up to billions. So such a number, these are very big numbers which I got from the net. So now let's add first this number which ends with 4803 and 477. We get this 9580 number. When we subtract that with this very smallest number, we get another prime. So I like to say that this pattern appears very randomly throughout the number series, such as twin primes. They appear, they are numbers which are when subtracted gives 2, difference of 2. Such numbers, the important point to note is that such numbers appears randomly. The character of such pattern is that take 3 prime in a row, add the 2 biggest prime and subtract with the another, the smallest. You get a prime number. So you could also take into this, you can also check out with your own technique, and you can also browse